A 10 News alert out of Tampa. The Seminole Heights murder suspect is indicted on 4 counts of murder.
Howell Donaldson III is accused of killing 4 people in 5 weeks.
We have 10 News team coverage on this tonight. Eric Glasser is at the Hillsborough County Courthouse where Donaldson's parents faced a judge. First, I want to take you live to Sarah Rosario. She's at the state attorney's office. And Sarah, 10 days after his arrest, we're hearing from the state attorney. We now have an indictment.
Yeah, Courtney, this is coming out quicker than what we expected. Yesterday, we were listening to State Attorney Andrew Warren right here at the Hillsborough County Courthouse just yesterday, saying that it could take up to 21 days to get an indictment. And today, just a day later, we learned that this was presented to the grand jury and they were able to come up with this indictment very quickly. Now, this officially begins the case against Howell Trey Donaldson III. He has been charged with 4 counts of first-degree murder, indicted with those 4 counts of first-degree murder in Seminole Heights. As we know, this has been a case that has terrorized the community. It's been very hurtful for these victims, and many of these people want answers. So now we come up with a question: what's next? We asked the state attorney. He wasn't taking any questions, but we asked the public information officer, what's next? What does this mean for the death penalty phase? Because yesterday we were told that the state attorney's office told victims that they were going to seek the toughest punishment possible. And so people want to know what's next. So when we asked about that, they said that it could take up to 45 days for the state attorney to file for the death penalty. Now, once that happens, they have that deadline of 45 days. After that deadline, it can be withdrawn, but they have to get that filing in before the 45-day deadline. And then the case will go to trial. Donaldson has to be found guilty, and then there will, following that will happen, the sentencing phase will happen. And in that phase, there's a recent law in Florida where the jury has to unanimously decide that Donaldson will or will not get the death penalty. So again, that'll be up to the jury and the judge to decide, but we now know he has been indicted, 4 counts, first-degree murder. His arraignment set for Tuesday. Live in Tampa, Sarah Rosario, back to you guys.